Okay, so we're kind of inside this place called the Bronx Pizza. We got these kind of cool chairs and it's kind of cool outside as well. We're trying to take a picture outside as well. Then you had some bars over here, but a pretty cool layout. And it has kind of a New York theme everywhere. Called Bronx Pizza and Pattaya. So, okay. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Bronx Pizza. You got some pizza coming on out. And we'll just kind of show you right there, Bronx Pizza. Open until 2:45 a.m. Slice prices, and then you can eat up here. So this is it. This is a little Bronx pizza place. You get all these outdoor sitting arrangements. Bronx Pizza. Alright, let's go explore some of Pattaya. Okay, we're gonna explore this random street in Pattaya. We have Farang Bar and Cheeky Girl Bar and a pizza place that we were just eating at, and Cocorico Bar, all kinds of places. Guest house. And some Thai temple stuff. This one's called the Taste of Thai. You can sit outside and eat at this particular place. Coco's. The new bar. And you. So yeah, this is just kind of a random street in Pattaya. A lot of bars, a lot of taxi services, restaurants, travel agencies. Let's see what all we have here. Massage places, Neuro massage. The Ned Kelly guest house. It's a good beard on him, eh? Haircut place. So this is a little strip of Pattaya. Smoking Joe's barbecue steak. So a lot of cool stuff everywhere. Hamburger Denmark is this one. More court, hotel. Okay. I think it's a pretty good representative of Pattaya. Just kind of a streets that cater very heavily towards foreigners. Okay. Just gonna keep on walking down. Coming out some motor bikes, scooters. And let's see, what are we at? We're a few minutes in, so I'm gonna conclude this video. As long as you're getting a taste for it. Wood-fired pizza. Tattoos. Hey.